Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. I'm Sakshi Sandwani. In case you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe, join the family because we do a lot of fun stuff here, fashion, beauty, lifestyle related. This is the second part of the video of my homegrown series in which I'm now talking about Western wear brands, and I'm actually going to tell you guys about so many cool Western wear homegrown brands that you never need to go to your fast fashion brands, like you know what I'm talking about. You can actually invest that kind of money in supporting smaller homegrown businesses, and that is the intent of bringing you guys this amazing ultimate guide series. The first brand I'm going to be talking about, I actually saw the brand on multiple of my blogger friends pages and I was completely drawn to the brand. One, because they do a lot of pantsuits and you know that that's my deal. I loved the brand because patani, it had such a chic vibe to it. It was so minimalistic, and even though I was just watching the product through like a video or a photo post, I could tell that the quality would be amazing. It looked so rich and it looked like one of those pieces that you can pass on to your generations. And that's it. These are the beautiful, absolutely stunning pieces that are from this brand called KB. Very classic, very elegant, very powerful. Now, whenever I wear a pantsuit, I any which ways feel very empowered, and that's exactly what these pieces make me feel. They do have regular sizing available and the prices start from 1500 onwards. The next brand is called Aura Studio. Now, this is a sustainable brand. For all of the people who love a good sustainable brand, this is it, because they literally upcycle all of their products. The garments are made chemical free, they are decomposable, they're made with natural fibers, all of the good things, very, very good for the nature. And when it's sustainable, you know it's made to order. And yes, they do custom sizing available as well. They have their usual sizing any which ways from extra small to XL, but if you need a custom pair, they're gonna do it for you. Because it is a sustainable brand and you know when it's sustainable, it's gonna last you very long. The product quality is absolutely stunning. I wouldn't get you any brand jiski product quality achhi nahi hogi in this video series any which ways. In products ki average range hai 4500. Love the brand for its minimalistic yet so beautiful designs. Oof, the next brand is so unique. The brand is called Grey Dot. It's such a contemporary women's wear brand. Such amazing silhouettes. I mean, you can look at the silhouette. They're so Indo-Western. They're so flowy yet so feminine and so strong. It is actually, the brand stands for independent, strong ladies. It's just making them feel beautiful in their own skin, and I truly feel so freaking gorgeous. Like the garments, like these are the kind of garments that I would want to invest in, honestly, because they're so different. Every time I would walk in somewhere, I would feel different, I would feel unique. People would ask me where have I got this stuff from. It is a Jaipur based label and the sizes go up till XL, but they also again do custom sizes. I told you guys I'm going to get you some great inclusivity as part of this series. इनका average price 6 to 15,000 है. जो भी मैंने garments आपको दिखा रही हूँ वो 11,000 के नीचे है. Considering ये gown है, designer material है, you know the prices are completely justifiable. And yes, super fashionable, super chic, Indo-Western a little bit, but you know what, you can totally style these with like a corset belt and इसको आप western तरीके से भी style कर सकते हैं. The next brand is again a sustainable brand but such a colorful, bubbly brand. It is called the K Cult. Again, it is a zero waste brand, so colorful, so beautiful, and you know what, this brand completely believes in nobody should be confined to a particular size chart. They literally customize all of their pieces, traditionally hand woven and hand spun fabrics. Their price range is always between 1500 to 3500, so very economical. And again, man, this brand is killing it because they're also working towards gender neutral clothing, which is amazing. The next brand that I'm going to be talking about is called And Also Belts. This brand I actually came across during my SME Alaya video. I wore their harnesses and I wore their belts. There are so many bloggers who've been talking about this particular brand, which is why I thought I have to introduce this particular brand. A lot of people keep asking me, Sakshi, आप अपनी belts, अपनी waist belts, harnesses कहाँ से लेकर आते हो? Now you know that there is a homegrown brand doing exactly that. They also make stunning pieces of jewelry that range from 2000 to 4200, and because their belts are of such high quality, even they've got such beautiful harnesses which I love. They range from 3800 to 6200. Last but definitely never the least, the next brand that we're going to be talking about is called Tag. I love this brand, such chic, such trendy pieces, again sustainable. They make custom sizes, and you know I love homegrown brands because one, minimum waste. Most of the brands make custom sizes, most of the brands make custom pieces, so हम bulk production तो वहीं पे minimize कर लेते हैं. And their products range from 1500 to to 8,000 depending on what you're getting, so pretty reasonable. Man, I love how I feel in this garment. Like, it's so oversized, it's so nice, it's so comfy. I could actually live in these quad sets, which is why I love quad sets, because they're so multi-purpose. You know, you can wear pants with something else, shirt with something else. So the next time I'm going to go shop something, I try to buy quad sets so that I can constantly rewear them and repeat my outfits. Also letting nobody know that I repeated the outfit. Well, that's about it, you guys. All of these brands made me feel so confident. They're such nice brands, they're so comfy, and you know what, altogether they're great brands, and I'm so happy to bring these brands to you guys. So make sure that you guys go ahead and support them, you know, just talk about them. I'm not getting paid out of this. I have nothing to do with, you know, shouting at these brands, but there is time for you guys to actually support these homegrown brands, and that's pretty much it. Go check out their links in the description box below, and while you're down there, make sure you also hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.